All right, welcome to the channel. Sometimes I do get outside the studio. Today we're doing an apartment shoot with Sydney. Compositional attributes I'll take advantage of is the hallway here. Rectangular hallway with the window behind her to frame her. Also the lights above, the recessed lights, will serve to be leading lines, and you'll see that later. First shot straight out of camera, pretty good. I think we're good to go. Using a constant LED light by Suit Photo, it's pretty powerful and I really like it, along with a glow rectangular softbox single diffuse, gives me a nice soft light. I'm using that on 5600K daylight just to preserve the skin tones as much as possible, keeping the ambient lighting with those overhead lights in the room. They're a little bit warmer, so it's mixed lighting, but I'm mixing the daylight to preserve those skin tones, and then the ambient lighting you'll see here with the edit, I pumped up the saturation on that a little bit just to give it a vibe in the room. I liked it. Let me know what you think. All right, so models, if you do the duck lips, you pucker your lips out too much, we're gonna make fun of you. We just are, we can't help it. So we're having a little bit of fun with that now. She's showing me her favorite cliche duck lip poses here, and that's the best one right there. So I'm telling her to get serious here, let's get on with it. And no, we're not ready to be serious yet. All right, so we'll hit the wide angle shots here, do some full body shots, and let's get on with it. So what I'm doing here is bringing in a compositional element of leading lines, using the trailing lights all the way from the window in the back of the room, leading straight into the model. So another thing to be cognizant of is don't stay in one area too long. Move around the room, find different spots to shoot. Don't get stuck in one spot for the entire shoot. So that's what we did here. We did another outfit earlier on before this shoot. I'll do that in a part 2 video. So I had already explored the rest of the apartment, pretty much every wall of the apartment except for the floor. We never got to just shooting overhead with her on the floor, but maybe next time. So here in my mind, I was thinking, you know what, I want to do some black and whites and post editing. This outfit, actually, I said, I want you in a bikini and I want you in my shirt. So, because you know what? I love it when she wears my shirt, and literally it's my shirt. It's got my name on it. So, take a look at some of these and let me know what you think about the black and whites. All right, so I don't know if you can read lips, but she's saying these are fire. Of course, that's what I do. I mean, that's what I make is fire. So, hey, thanks guys for watching. If you're still tuned in, I appreciate it. Give it a like and subscribe. That always helps the algorithm in the channel, and you have a good one.